Welcome to my channel. Spectrum router not working? Try these fixes. Step 1. Check the power light. Make sure your Spectrum router is plugged in securely and turned on. If the power light is off, try a different power outlet or reconnect the power cable. Step 2. Restart the router. Unplug the router from the power source for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait 2 to 3 minutes for it to fully restart. Step 3. Check the internet outage. Sometimes the problem isn't your router. Check if Spectrum is experiencing an outage in your area before trying other fixes. Step 4. Inspect all cables. Make sure the Ethernet and coaxial cables are connected tightly. A loose cable can easily interrupt your internet connection. Step 5. Move the router. Keep the router in an open, central location. Avoid placing it behind furniture, inside cabinets, or near microwaves and other electronic devices. Step 6. Reconnect your device. Turn Wi-Fi off on your phone, laptop, or tablet, then connect to your Spectrum network again. This often fixes temporary connection problems. Step 7. Update router firmware. If a firmware update is available, install it. Updated software improves performance, security, and overall network stability. Step 8. Reduce network congestion. Too many connected devices can slow down your router. Disconnect devices you aren't using to improve internet speed. Step 9. Reset the router. If nothing else works, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll need to set up your Wi-Fi network again afterward. Step 10. Contact Spectrum support. If your router still isn't working, the issue could be with the hardware or your internet service. Contact Spectrum support to check your connection or request a replacement if needed. Thanks for watching.